Do you like to watch the crime shows like First 48 or Forensic Files or CSI? If you do, this might be the class for you. Hello, I'm Kristen Jernigan, and I'm going to tell you about taking forensics at HCTC. This is a class that we do a lot of the same things you see in the crime scenes, crime shows, where we're looking for evidence, we've got to find it, we've got to analyze it and find the bad guys. So we do things like fingerprinting, blood spatter, we study bones, all kinds of really cool stuff. But we do it in a way to teach you the real science behind it, not the Hollywood version. It counts as a science credit, and the prerequisites you need for this class are biology and chemistry. Now, I actually prefer that you also take physics and save this for your senior year class, but it's technically not required. So you can sign up as a junior. If you decide to take this class, there's two different ways to take it. There's the year-long class, which is traditional 1 period every day all year. That's first period or sixth period. Or you might decide to take the accelerated forensic science, which is 2 periods every day, but only for 1 semester. It's not harder, it's just faster. So you sign up for either the fall or the spring semester, whichever one fits in your schedule the best. Now, I happen to think that if you decide you're interested in competing in some of our forensic science events, you might consider trying for the year-long class because it'll just end up being more convenient for you. But you can come and compete. We participate in the Texas Public Safety Association, TPSA organization, and we go and compete for things like fingerprinting, CSI, blood spatter analysis, fiber analysis, and anthropology, which is a race to see who can identify the bones that you might find at a crime scene. It's a lot of fun, and students really enjoy doing that. There aren't any fees for this class, so you don't have to pay anything extra if you just want to take the class. There are some fees for competition. It's about $55 to sign up for the regional competition, and then if you win, the school pitches in for a lot more of the state requirements. We also will help provide a polo for you to wear to borrow during competition, but you might have to buy some pants and some shoes if you don't have something that works already. It's a lot of fun hands-on class. Besides the things I mentioned already, we start out the year talking about kind of the basics behind how we collect evidence and what the law requires. And then we do crime scene photography, mock crime scenes. I set up the crime scene and let you come in and find all the clues yourself. You get to wear those really cool CSI jumpsuits and take your kit and find everything. I teach you how to photograph it, how to sketch the crime scene, how to find all the evidence and bag and tag it. And then I set up the mock crime scene for you, and you get to go on the scene and find it all. So that's really fun. And the rest of the year, we spend doing each kind of evidence kind of one at a time. So we do fingerprints, hairs and fibers, blood spatter, death investigation, which involves bones, and also rotting corpses, and entomology, which is maggots on dead bodies, and everything that's really gross and disgusting, but also really cool. After that, we study DNA, and if you take the year-long class, you'll get into some other topics like ballistics and document examination, and crimes against wildlife, which is pretty popular. Anyway, this is a cool class. I hope that you'll sign up, and I'd love to see you in forensic science.